Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm gonna make a little review of this beautiful high preserved condition of pocket watch. This is a Rolex Half Hunter pocket watch in high preserved condition. First thing we're gonna do is to set the hands. To set the hands we have to pull out the crown here, and the time now is 25 past 3. 25 past 3. 25 past 3, so 25 past 3. It's right here. Push back the crown, and next thing we have to wind the mainspring. So I'm gonna push back the ball and I'm gonna start 1 2 3. It's gonna be something like 15-16 times, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 whoa, 17. That's it. Once feel resistance, don't go any further. So I'm gonna close that cover. You're still able to check the time. So now I'm gonna show you the case of the watch. On the case we have some stamps. So the stamp here, this stamp here, it's from Chester South Office. This stamp shows us that all the stamps on this case has been made in Chester South Office. Next stamp is here. It looks like a letter, but it's not. This stamp shows us the year of made. The year of made of this case it's the same like year of the stamps. So the year of made of this one is 1926, and we have a stamp on top which is 9, and this stamp shows us the purity of gold, 9 carat or 9 carats. 375, and on the bottom we have SR. SR show us the producer of this watch case. We've got here also E to R, 8th of September 1928. Probably this watch it's given as gift. So now I'm gonna show you the movement of this watch. I'm gonna use my nail to open the cover. I don't want any signs. So the movement of this watch, it's a very beautiful one. It looks like just left the factory. Beautiful movement of Rolex pocket watch. Stunning condition. It works very accurate. It loses something like 20-25 seconds per day, which is a very good achievement for this movement. We have more stamps here. Serial number 9375, the purity of gold here, serial number here, and SR, the producer or the producers of the case. I'm going to show you the movement one more time. And that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think you've seen something interesting in this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now.